Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing Monica AI or Monica ChatGPT AI Assistant. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is basically just ChatGPT on the go. So basically, you can just add it to Chrome like a plugin. So for example, you can just pull it up anytime that you want. You won't need to go to another tab and open up ChatGPT. So as you can see, they do have a paid version and a free version. So I actually found a Reddit post on Reddit, which is this guy. Uh, it's the honest take as a first-time user. So the features are that the chatbot powered by models like GPT-4 and Cloud for conversations, quick text actions like summarizing, translating, or rewriting, summarizes web pages, PDFs, and even YouTube videos, writing assistant for emails and creative stuff, browser extension for easy access, and a lot more. So the pros of it is that it saves time with fast summaries and text tweaks, works across multiple sites, which is super handy. Free tier gives you a decent taste of what it can do. Supports different AI models, so you get variety. User-friendly setup if you're into web tools, and a lot more. Now the cons of it is that the free version has a daily limit and that hits quick. Sometimes the responses feel off or repetitive. Customer support can be slow, took days for a reply once. Paid plans feel pricey for what you get compared to other tools, and needs internet, so no offline use. So yeah, you can just basically weigh the pros and cons of Monica GPT. However, if you do pay for it, it is very worth it since you can use it unlimitedly, and it is very, as you can see, it's 4.9 on the Chrome Store and 4.6 on Product Hunt. And yeah, basically it is legit and is very worth the price. So yeah, it is worth the hype. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.